An overhang can be fastened to a block wall using sleeve anchors. Order your sleeve anchors online using promo code CONFAST for a 5% discount. When fastening a concrete brick or block-based material, a hammer drill must be used. Remember, always use eye and ear protection when using a hammer drill. The hole should be drilled 1/2 inch deeper in the base material than the anchor will penetrate. The deeper the embedment of the anchor in the base material, the better the holding values. Sleeve anchors are designed for use in concrete brick or block-based material. The size of the hole to be drilled is the same diameter of the sleeve anchor chosen for the application. Each diameter of sleeve anchor needs to be embedded in the concrete a minimum depth based on the diameter of the anchor being used. To determine what length anchor is needed, add the thickness of the material being fastened to the minimum embedment. First, the sleeve anchor is inserted through the fixture and into the base material. Next, using a wrench, turn the nut 2 to 4 times until snug. This will pull the stud up through the sleeve, expanding it against the wall of the base material. We hope that this video has been helpful in choosing the correct concrete fastener for your application and that you consider us for your purchasing needs. Remember, we have the lowest price and have over 4 million concrete fasteners in stock and ready shipped to you the same day your order is received. Confast.com, your one source for concrete fasteners. It's been our business for over 20 years and it's all we do. Buy your concrete fasteners from us.